DIY remedies for toothache relief that you can include: 1. Tea tree oil rinse. Tea tree oil has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate toothache pain and reduce swelling. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with a small amount of water. Swish the solution around in your mouth for about 30 seconds. Spit it out and rinse your mouth with plain water. Repeat a few times daily until the pain subsides. 2. Guava leaves. Guava leaves have antimicrobial and analgesic properties that can provide relief from toothache. Chew 1 or 2 tender guava leaves until the juice starts to work on the affected tooth. Alternatively, you can boil several guava leaves in water, allow the solution to cool to a warm temperature, and use it as a mouthwash. 3. Hydrogen peroxide rinse. Hydrogen peroxide can help kill bacteria and reduce inflammation associated with a toothache. Mix equal parts of 3% hydrogen peroxide and water. Swish the solution around in your mouth for about 30 seconds. Spit it out and rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Use this rinse a few times a day as needed. 4. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea has numbing properties that can help soothe toothache pain. Steep a peppermint tea bag in hot water for a few minutes. Let it cool down until it's warm but comfortable to swish around in your mouth. Swish the tea around the affected area for a minute or 2 before spitting it out. You can do this several times a day to help reduce pain. 5. Cold compress. A cold compress can help numb the pain and reduce any swelling associated with a toothache. Wrap a few ice cubes in a thin cloth or towel. Hold the compress against the cheek near the painful tooth for about 15 minutes. Take a break for 15 minutes, then repeat as necessary. 6. Clove oil solution. One of the most effective natural remedies for toothaches is clove oil. Clove oil contains eugenol, which has natural analgesic, pain-relieving, properties. Here's how you can use it: take a cotton ball and soak it in clove oil. Gently dab the oil onto the affected tooth and surrounding gums. You should feel relief within a few minutes. 7. Warm salt water and baking soda rinse. Mix a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water until dissolved. Swish the solution around in your mouth for 30 seconds, focusing on the affected area. Spit out the solution and repeat several times a day. Salt helps to reduce inflammation, while baking soda neutralizes acids in the mouth. 8. Apple cider vinegar rinse. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water. Swish the solution around your mouth for a few minutes, focusing on the painful tooth. Spit out the mixture and rinse your mouth with plain water afterward. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial properties that can help combat infection and reduce pain. 9. Oil pulling with coconut oil. Take a tablespoon of coconut oil and swish it around in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. Spit out the oil, do not swallow it, and rinse your mouth thoroughly with warm water. Coconut oil has antimicrobial properties that can help reduce bacteria in the mouth and alleviate toothache pain. 10. Onion compress. Cut a small piece of onion and chew it gently on the side of your mouth where the toothache is. Alternatively, place a small piece of onion directly onto the affected tooth or gum. The antimicrobial properties of onion can help reduce pain and fight infection. 11. Vanilla extract. Dip a cotton swab or ball into vanilla extract. Use pure vanilla extract, if possible. Apply the vanilla extract directly onto the affected tooth or gums. Vanilla has alcohol content that can numb the pain temporarily. 12. Wheatgrass juice. Drink a small amount of wheatgrass juice and hold it in your mouth over the affected area for a few minutes. Spit it out and rinse your mouth with water. Wheatgrass has antibacterial properties and can help reduce inflammation. 13. Aloe vera gel. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly onto the affected tooth and surrounding gums. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can help alleviate pain and promote healing. 14. Potato slice. Cut a small piece of potato and place it directly onto the affected tooth or gum. Hold it in place for about 15 to 20 minutes. Potatoes have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain and swelling. 15. Cucumber slice. Chill a cucumber in the refrigerator for a few minutes, then cut a slice. Place the cucumber slice against the painful tooth or gum. Cucumber has soothing properties and can provide relief from toothache discomfort. 16. Ginger root. Cut a fresh piece of ginger root and chew it slowly on the side of your mouth where the toothache is located. Alternatively, make a ginger tea by boiling a few slices of ginger root in water, then allow it to cool down before swishing it in your mouth. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that can help alleviate pain and reduce swelling. 17. Cayenne pepper paste. Mix a small amount of cayenne pepper powder with water to form a paste. Apply the paste directly onto the affected tooth or gum. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which can temporarily desensitize nerves and reduce pain. 18. Oregano oil. Dilute a few drops of oregano oil in a carrier oil such as olive oil or coconut oil. Apply the diluted oregano oil directly onto the painful tooth or gums using a cotton swab. Oregano oil has antibacterial properties that can help fight infection and reduce inflammation. By employing these effective home remedies for toothaches, you can alleviate discomfort and promote dental health until you're able to visit a dentist for professional care. Remember, while these methods can provide temporary relief, it's crucial to seek professional advice if the pain persists or worsens. Taking proactive steps to manage dental hygiene and promptly addressing any issues can prevent future toothaches and maintain your overall oral well-being.